4 months ago, this company NeuTTS Nano released NeuTTS Air, which we covered on the channel, and it was quite promising. The same mob has just released 3 multilingual models in French, Spanish, and German, and that is what we are going to install in this video locally, and we will test it out. I am going to use this Ubuntu system, and I have this GPU card as you can see on your screen, but I'm just going to run it on CPU. And if you're looking to rent a CPU, GPU or VM on very affordable prices as I do, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPU. Now, what exactly is this model? 120 million parameter, runs on device, open source, MIT license. You can run it on low power hardware like a Raspberry Pi. 3 models share the same architecture and feature set as the original one, including the 3-second voice cloning and real-time CPU inference. So if your goal is to target European markets or building multilingual voice products without much of a hindrance on CPU, I think this could be a good option, but we will test it out. We will see if it holds the water or not, because I'll be honest with you, I actually made a video on NeuTTS Nano individually few days back. I was not impressed, so much so that I didn't even publish that video, and I'm still reluctant if I would do it or not. So what I'm going to do, I will give it another chance in this video, not only the 3 multilingual variants but also the Nano. We will test all 4 of them in this video. So let's get started. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to create this virtual environment with Conda, and then we will go from there. And meanwhile, if you could like the video and subscribe and become a member, I would be very obliged. And please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Okay, let's go here. It is just taking a bit of a time. I think I have too many Conda environments. It seems I'll do the cleanup after this video. Let's git clone this repo. And I will drop the link to it in video's description too. And now install all the requirements. You can also just install pip install NeuTTS, but this one is better, I guess. Everything is installed. Now let's run the Gradio demo. I have just put a Gradio interface on the example which they have shared. So let's run this. The first time when you run this, it downloads the model, which is very small, as you can see, just under 1 gig. And the model is now loaded and running. Let's access it on our local host at port 7860. So there you go. Our NeuTTS Nano multilingual is done. And these are all the 4 languages which we are going to try out. Let's do the English first. So I'm going to upload my own audio here from my system in a WAV format. And this is what this audio says. Let me play it for you too. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. So this is a text here. So the text to generate, which I wanted to do, is the speech is this: my name is Fahad and I'm an AI YouTuber, and I just moved to this new suburb in Sydney and all that stuff. So let's generate the speech. It is generating it at the moment. Let's check the VRAM consumption. So it is running on GPU, you see, and can you imagine how much it is consuming? 16 point, it is 17,000. It is increasing, and this is surprising for me because I didn't even mention it to use GPU. Now, if it is consuming this much on GPU, it is impossible to run on CPU. And this is one issue which I also saw it in NeuTTS. You can run it, and don't get me wrong, but it's excruciatingly slow. So you maxes out touch over 17 gig of VRAM. Okay, so it has generated it. Let's see how it is. So already know my voice. Let's play this.
My name is Fahad. I'm an AI YouTuber and I just moved to this new suburb in Sydney. The metro is pretty agile as it gets me around in no time at all.
So again, I don't think so this is a good voice clone at all, given the size of it and everything. And look, this TTS market has come a long way. Anyway, let's do other languages and then we will review what exactly has happened here. So I'm not going to use their provided test data, I'm going to use my own. So this is the reference text, this is the reference audio, let me play it.
La felicidad es un sentimiento fugaz que se puede encontrar en los momentos más simples de la vida. Una conversación cálida con un ser querido, una hermosa puesta de sol o una buena taza de café pueden levantar instantáneamente nuestro ánimo. Es un estado mental que se puede cultivar a través de la gratitud.
So it has already generated it. Speed is good. Let's play this. You see, it just fall flat. So this is a Spanish word and this is a Spanish audio, just falls flat. Okay, so let's try out now German. So this is the German one. I already have started generating, and let me first play the reference audio.
Glück ist ein flüchtiges Gefühl, das in den einfachsten Momenten des Lebens zu finden ist. Ein warmes Gespräch mit einem geliebten Menschen, ein wunderschöner Sonnenuntergang.
Let's play the actual one. This is a sentence. I already have. Okay, so it has given me error. So when it happens, even their code is not there yet. So I'm just going to reload it from here, and I will just reload everything and try again. I have tried various times, but even German is not working. I even used their code which they have given. So, but again, it's not really cloning the voice properly in either of these languages. It with CLI, it does generate it, but the results are just similar to what we saw it in the English one. So I'm not going to waste any further time on this one. Look, the TTS market has come a long way from robotic monotony synthesis to genuinely natural sounding speech. We just saw Kitten TTS the other day, and you can find that video on the channel too. I'll just remove this. There are heaps of TTS models here. If I just even start with TTS, I think I personally have covered like 300-400 TTS models in the last 2 to 3 years. So I think they really need to lift their game to stand out in this saturated space. The audio quality needs to be undeniable because we have no options and we are not going to compromise on the things that matter most. But keen to hear your thoughts, and if you are from NeuTTS and if I'm doing something wrong, let me know. Happy to remake the video with whatever instructions you guys have. But again, I think this should work out of the box, as I'm just using the repo and the actual models from Hugging Face. That's it. Let me know what do you think, and thank you for all the support.